Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the Gotrax 20 inches folding electric bike, a lightweight and versatile e-bike designed for everyday commuting and casual weekend rides. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price. Deals like this don't last long. Build quality and design. The Gotrax 20 inches folding electric bike is all about convenience and practicality. Built with a durable yet lightweight aluminum alloy frame, it folds down in just seconds to fit in a car trunk, office corner, or apartment closet. Despite its compact folding design, it feels solid and stable while riding, which is crucial for daily commuters. The 20-inch wheels hit the sweet spot between agility and comfort, small enough to stay compact when folded, but large enough to roll smoothly over urban terrain like cracks, curbs, and rough pavement. The bike also features an adjustable handlebar and seat post to accommodate different rider heights comfortably. Motor power and speed. At its heart, the Gotrax folding bike features a 500 watts peak brushless motor, about 350 watts nominal, which gives it enough power to handle city hills and quick accelerations from stoplights without straining. It reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour, which is ideal for commuting and staying within most local e-bike regulations. While it's not built for extreme off-road riding, the motor is responsive and quiet, offering smooth power delivery in both throttle and pedal assist modes. The bike includes 5 levels of pedal assist, letting you customize how much effort you want to put in, from light assistance for exercise to full power for easy cruising. Battery and range. Powering the Gotrax is a 48 volts removable lithium-ion battery, neatly integrated into the frame. On the lowest pedal assist setting, PA1, it delivers up to 40 miles of range, and around 25 miles on higher assist levels or throttle-only riding. The battery can be removed and charged indoors, which is convenient for apartment dwellers or office workers. A full charge typically takes about 5 to 6 hours, allowing you to easily recharge overnight or during a workday. Ride comfort and handling. Thanks to its compact 20-inch tires and upright riding position, the Gotrax 20 inches folding bike offers a comfortable and confident ride through city streets. The tires provide decent shock absorption on rough pavement, while the front suspension fork helps smooth out bumps and cracks. Its lightweight frame and smaller wheels make it highly maneuverable in crowded urban environments, while the mechanical disc brakes give you reliable stopping power for safe commuting. Safety and features. The Gotrax is equipped with all the essentials for safe daily riding. It has front and rear LED lights for visibility, mechanical disc brakes for responsive stopping, and a backlit LCD display that shows your speed, battery level, assist mode, and trip data. It also features foldable pedals and a built-in kickstand, which are small but practical touches that make storage and daily use much easier. Portability and practical use. The biggest strength of this bike is its foldability and lightweight build. It folds down quickly for taking on public transport, storing in the office, or packing in your car trunk. This makes it perfect for commuters who want an electric bike they can easily carry and store. Despite its compact size, the bike feels stable and balanced while riding, and the adjustable saddle and handlebars ensure a comfortable fit for riders of various heights. Pros and cons. Pros. Compact and lightweight folding design. 500 watts peak motor gives solid acceleration and hill climbing power. 48 volts removable battery offers up to 40 miles range. 5 levels of pedal assist plus throttle mode. Folds easily for storage and transport. Front suspension fork adds comfort. Mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping. LED lights and LCD display included. Cons. Not designed for off-road or rugged terrain. Lower top speed compared to high-performance e-bikes. Smaller wheels can feel less stable on very rough roads. No rear suspension, front only. Less power and torque compared to larger 750 watts to 1500 watts models. Final verdict. The Gotrax 20 inches folding electric bike is an excellent choice if you want a light, practical, and portable e-bike for daily commuting, errands, and casual rides. It's not built to conquer mountains or blast down dirt trails, but it excels at what it's designed for: smooth, comfortable, and reliable urban transportation. If you're looking for a folding e-bike that's easy to store, simple to ride, and powerful enough for city hills, all at an affordable price point, the Gotrax is a great pick. Check the link below to grab your Gotrax 20 inches folding electric bike at the best discounted price while it's still available.